Hello YouTubers, this is another little tutorial, I guess, how to use the little 8x8 matrix. I just built this quick little circuit. It's really easy. I know it looks really complicated, but it's like super easy, and all it is you control that little dot which way it goes. I have these little 4 switches, so like to the right, down, left, up, and then you have it set on parameters so it always stays in this 8x8 box. So no matter how far up I go, it won't go out of the box. All the way to the left, all the way to the right, all the way down. So it will always stay in the box. So you just like control the directions of it. And all it is just these. I just use this thing for the switches. I just have these 4 little push button switches. And here's a little circuit diagram. So you have a push button switch, and then connected to the positive 5 volts, and then you have the other side connected straight into the pin 6 for the switch number 1, the push button 1, and then it has a 10K resistor connected to ground, to negative. And you have 4 of those, and the important part about this is each switch has to have its own resistor. Like if you hook them up to one resistor, this will not work. It's kind of weird, I know, but each one has to have its own resistor connected to any kind of board, an Arduino board. I just use the Leonardo just for an example, but you can use one of these little nano things too if you want. Have a little capacitance switch here, and then you hook up the matrix. It uses the MAX7219 the shift register chip, and you connect 0, the data pin, to 0, and then the load pin to 1, and then the clock pin to 2. And then the code for this is right here, and the same thing. It uses a matrix and a sprite.h libraries. If you don't have those, I can email them to you. You can put them in yourself, but to put them in, all you do is go to Sketch, import library, add library, and then you just locate where those libraries are, and then just hit open, and it will add them in. But yeah, it's really easy, and this code is kind of small. It's only like almost 7,000 bytes, which is very little. You can combine it with some other stuff. I have like switch statements and a bunch of little things. Yeah, if you have any questions or comments, just kind of let me know. But it's a pretty cool little circuit. You can control this. You can actually go a little bit farther with this and make a little game. You can research and look in different videos where they have you can little shooting game, where you can shoot blocks, and you can like make a race car out of this. Like you can run around a track or so, make a worm, a pong, and stuff like that. But yeah, this is like just a quick beginning. Yeah, email me, whatever, message me, and I'll send you the code. But yeah, all you need is 4 10K resistors, and 10K resistors is like the brown, black, orange. So this is not 10K resistor, but those little bands. This one's the yellow, purple, and red, which is like 4.47K, I think. But yeah, all you need is resistors with the brown, black, and orange stripe on them, and those are 10Ks. You just hook them up, and it's like super easy to build. I know it kind of looks complicated here because I have wires everywhere. This can be cleaned up much better. But I have a modified little board here. I glued the bottom of it, that way if I place it on a metal surface, it won't, break it or anything. Alright, just let me know what you think.